Hey, what's up you guys? So today I'm going to be unboxing this fall haul and I'm super excited, so let's get to it. Okay, so the first store that I went to was Aerie. We got this bra, which I love the color of, and these are my favorite bras in the whole world. They're the unlined ones, and they're the best. And also from Aerie, I got these leggings, which I'm also really excited about. They were only $10, which is such a steal, and they're super comfortable, and they're super high-waisted too, and they're just like a nice soft cotton, perfect for fall. I'm actually using them for dance class because I really like the way the cotton leggings feel when I'm doing dance. And then I wasn't expecting to this weird that they were on sale, buy one get one half off, and these are the real soft leggings, and yeah, I just love them. They're so soft, so I got one each color. And then the last set from here, these hair ties, I bought them before and I know it's even better. But I really do love them. I don't know why I care about hair ties, but I just like these ones better than other ones that I bought before. Really well, and it's like a good weight too, and this is from A New Day from Target, and it was $22, which isn't that bad. So yeah, I love this, and I'll be wearing it all the time for fall, I'm sure. And then I got this little like curling turtleneck top, and I love that it's really long so that you can like tuck it all the way to your skirt, like this skirt. But yeah, it's perfect length, and tuck it all the way to your jeans, so it doesn't ride up on you. I just love turtlenecks for fall too. This color is just perfect. It's very nice, flying red color. And then last from Target, I bought these for 2 years, and I kind of picked these up from Target. They're pretty comfortable too. These are also from A New Day. Yeah, so let's unbox this. Got scissors. I'm stoked. So yeah, these are all from King Arthur, and I've been loving their brand so much. They just have all the fall things that one could want. Oh my gosh, these are so much bigger than I thought they would be. Okay, so the first thing I got, and I'm gonna go find the cameras again and zoom in a little more. So I got this apple pie spice because I'm gonna be making more apple pies definitely this year, and then also gingerbread spice. And then pumpkin pie spice because everything. So I picked up the spices, which I'm excited about, and then I also got this donut mix, which is apple cinnamon because, spoiler alert, but I'm going to be making some different donuts, like fall flavored donuts, so this one will be a recipe coming up in the future. And then to go along with that, I got this donut pan. I've wanted one of these for forever. Look how cute it is, oh my gosh. I'm going to be making so many donuts this fall and for the rest of forever. I'm so excited that I just own this pan. And then the last thing I bought, which I'm also super excited about. This bubble wrap is awesome as well. So I think it's like sticky. I just want to cover all my walls in this. Yeah, as far as this goes, I'm gonna keep this forever. This is lovely. Oh my god. It's so much more beautiful than I thought it was gonna be. Oh my gosh, you guys. So this is my first ever pan that I own. I feel like a real adult. I saw this on their website and I just love it so much. I'm gonna be making all of my Thanksgiving pies in this. It just says bake and it's stoneware and I got it on sale. So I'm so excited. So that is all, hopefully, because that is all the money I spent, I think. So next I'm going to do a little try on for you guys and then I'll check back in with you after that. So this is outfit 1. Love this whole outfit. The burgundy color is really awesome for fall. And then these boots. So these are the boots, which I also love. They're so cute and really comfortable too. So that is all for our haul today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know if you want me to make more of these in the future. I will leave all the descriptions and links to the things below in the description box. And I hope that you have a beautiful first week of fall. Bye guys.